TLE Computer System Services Week 3 lesson is all about computer software. At the end of the lesson, you should be able to identify software, select correct program or application based on job requirements, and perform the hands-on activities. Software refers to the intangible computer components. It is a set of instructions that tells the hardware what to do and how to do it. Examples of softwares include web browsers, games, word processors, and spreadsheets. Kinds of software. Application software is a type of computer program that performs a specific personal, educational, and business function. Each application is designed to assist end user in accomplishing a variety of tasks, which may be related to productivity, creativity, or communication. Example, Microsoft Word, Microsoft Excel, PowerPoint, and many others. Programming software and programming tools enable developers to develop, write, test, and debug other software programs. Programming softwares create application software. Examples of programming software include assemblers, compilers, debuggers, and interpreters. Operating system, the software that supports a computer basic functions such as scheduling tasks, executing applications, and controlling peripherals. Examples are Microsoft Windows, Apple Mac OS, Android operating system, Linux, and Apple iOS. These are all operating system software. For your learning task 1, classify the following software application, whether it's application software, operating system software, or programming software. Number 1, that's iOS operating system. Number 2, that is application software. That is Microsoft Word. Next, we have Java. That is programming software. What is this? That is application software in sending your emails or electronic mails. And this one, Microsoft Windows. So this is an operating system software. Did you get it all correct? Remember, operating system is used to open your application and your gadget. Without the operating system, you cannot use your gadget or your computer. Now, for the application, these are applications that has a specific function, whether it's for gaming or it's for recording or typing a document, such as Microsoft Word, Microsoft Excel, Microsoft PowerPoint, or any other games or application where you can send files or documents. While a programming software, these are software, a program that creates for you to be able to use application, you need a programming software. These are the creator of your application software. Example, to create a game, you need a programming software. All software has a ribbon. Microsoft Office ribbon. The ribbon is a set of toolbars at the top of the window in Office programs, designed to help you quickly find the commands that you need to complete a task. So we have quick access, meaning all the tools that you need to access with the program are on the topmost left side of the screen. The title bar will tell you what kind of application you are using right now. The tabs are the different menus to access the other tools. Restore to minimize your to restore the application program on screen, while minimize to temporarily close the program. The exit is totally exiting from the program. Then, for the following ribbons, there are several tools in editing your application, in editing the application you open. Then you have the group. It depends what type of tools you open. Then we have the ruler and the dialog box. The dialog box will tell you exactly your location or your position. Steps in creating a new document. Number 1, choose a file, new, from the menu bar. This may ask you to select which document template to use for the new document. Click the new blank document button of the toolbar and or press Ctrl N on the keyboard. Step today, we are going to create a new document. So, it depends what kind of document you want to create. Example, you want to type a biodata or a resume. So, you may use Microsoft Word. So, select Microsoft Word from the window button. So, this is the environment of Microsoft Word. You have the option if you want to use a template. Ang ibig sabihin ng template, ito yung mga ready-made na. For example, invitation, celebration card, o traditional newspaper. Kumbaga, mag-e-enter ka na lang, meron na siyang ready format. O kaya, bookmark. Ayan. So, kung wala naman, halimbawa, blank document, magta-type ka ng iyong assignment using Word. So, your option can be here, blank document. So, from the environment of Microsoft Word, so, ito yung home niya. So, new. So, yun, new. You can select blank document. So, anything. You type anything. Example, assignment in TLE Computer System servicing. Yan. So, in here, pwede ka naman di mag-format. Pero hindi ito yung lesson natin. Ang lesson natin is how to create a new document. Suppose you're done editing with your document. Pwede na. Ayan, nakapag-create ka na. Next step, we are going to save your document. How will you save your this document? So, nakikita nyo nasa taas, document 1 Word. Ibig sabihin kasi niyan, wala pa tayong naka-assign na file name. So, yung document 1 na to is default ito kapag wala ka pang na-type na file name, wala ka pang binibigay na pangalan para sa document na to. So, to save your document, you have to click to file again. And then this time, you click to save. Ayan. Saan mo ngayon siya gustong i-save? Pag gusto mo siyang i-save sa USB flash drive, di pupunta ka lang sa drive E. Okay? Pero kung gusto mo siyang i-save sa computer mismo, sa laptop mismo, and then you type in sa documents ko siya ilalagay mismo, sa documents. This PC, select documents mismo. Then you type new document or assignment 1. Ayan, sa TLE. Then click save. Saan masasave yan? Sa this PC document. Doon mo ngayon siya titignan mamaya para i-retrieve o ibalik natin yung file na yan. Then, click save. Pop nyo, yung title bar na iba na. Hindi na siya blank document. Siya ngayon ay isa ng assignment 1. Save to this PC. Ibig sabihin, na-save na natin itong file na to sa this PC. Nakalagay. Next, we are going to close the document. So, to close this document, pwedeng ang option mo dito sa exit na to. Yung X button, close na yan, automatic. Pag kinlik ko yan, mako-close yan. Or you have another option to click to file and then click to close. Or exit. Exit na dapat eh. So, kung close lang, magko-close lang siya. Pero, hindi siya mag-e-exit. Okay? You are just closing the document. Pero, nasa environment ka pa rin ng Microsoft Word. Okay? So, yung exit, totally, you are exiting from Microsoft Word. Tinanggal mo siya sa Word. So, babalik tayo kasi ang next procedure is to rename a document. Okay? To rename, tandaan nyo, saan natin sinave yung file na sa assignment 1? Steps in opening an existing document. Choose File and then select Open from the menu bar. Click Open button on the menu bar. Or press Ctrl O on the keyboard. So you have the option if you want to select Open button on the toolbar or just press Ctrl O on your keyboard. Note, each method will show open dialog box. Select the drive the file was saved on, choose the file, and click Open button. Steps in saving a document. Select File and then Save from the menu bar. Click the Save button on the toolbar or press Ctrl S on the keyboard. Navigate the location where you would like to save the document. Make a note of the drive where the document is saved for future reference. To save an existing open document under a different name, select File, Save As. Now we are going to open or retrieve the last file that we saved. So let us go to this folder, click that folder icon, and then as you remember, this PC, select documents. So you are already in this PC. All you have to do is select documents. So since we have a lot of files here and you want to get the files easily, you want to retrieve the file easily, just type in the search document. Click inside the search document. Then you type the file name you assign. So assignment 1. Okay. This is the file name of your document. So select assignment 1. Here. Now you are ready to do some editing or print your work. Next, let us try to rename your file. Okay. So exit again. That's how you open your file, huh? Now let's try to rename a file. So let's say assignment 1.1. Let us rename this 1.1 by simply clicking on the right click of your mouse, right click, and then select rename. Now you are ready to give a different file name for this document. So for example, instead of assignment 1.1, we will rename it. We will assign another file name using the same document. So this document, assignment 1.1, will be replaced with a new file name. Example, assignment 2. Yan. There you go. So we have assignment 2. That's how you rename your file. And then for printing, let's say we want to open this file and we are going to print your work. Simply go to File, then Print. Make sure that the printer is attached to your computer. Otherwise, no printer will be detected. Oh, no, it's offline. So as you can see, so select the printer that is attached. As of this time, there is no printer attached. Okay. Ayan. Offline, offline, offline. Meaning walang nakakonect sa kanya. In case that brother is the name of the printer that is installed in my computer, select brother. And then you have the settings here. How many pages you want to reproduce or print. And then you have here also what pages you want to print. If there are 1 to 20, what pages? Only page 2 or only page 3. Okay. Then you have here also very specific number of pages. Then if it's portrait or landscape, suppose I want to change it into landscape. Yan, landscape na. And then you have so in short, these are setting, the default setting. And then if you want to do some editing about the setting, feel free. But make sure that the printer is connected to your computer, and make sure that it is already installed, because no matter how many times you print it, but the printer is not installed to your computer, you will not able to print anything. Okay, now let's close this file. Let's try now to want to save. No, I don't want to save. Let's try to browse in the web. Okay, how to browse in the web? You just go to Google and then select here search engine. So ito yung mga product na Google. So ang pipiliin ko ay search engine. So here are the product of Google. Kung wala, exit muli, then go back to Google. Next, type anything that you want to search. For example, you are searching for a computer system. Ayan. So, ayan, marami siyang options. You will see here a highlighted and embossed and underlined. So, meaning that this word has a link. This has a link. Yung underline identify that it has a link. Ayan, o. Yan. Okay? So, example, I want to select computer, system servicing, and C2. Yan. It goes to the link of TESDA course. Okay? I hope you have learned something today. If you have any question, please do not hesitate to ask me. And I hope to see you all on Saturday for our makeup meeting. God bless everyone. Steps in renaming a document. To rename an existing but not open Word document while using the program, select File and then Open, or press Ctrl together with letter O on the keyboard and find the file you want to rename. Right-click on the document name with the mouse and select Rename from the shortcut menu. Type the new name of the file and press the Enter key. That's so easy. Steps in closing a document. Choose the file, exit on the menu bar, click the Close button aligned with the title bar, or press Alt plus F4 on the keyboard. Steps in printing a file. Open your document, choose Print from the File menu, select the printer connected on your computer, edit other print settings if needed. Steps in browsing the web. Open your computer or device web browser, type in the website that you need to visit, while navigate the website. Look for hyperlinks. It is often part of website in blue underlined text that when clicked will load a different page. Web authors use link to connect relevant pages. Click the star button, a symbol, at the end of the address bar to bookmark or save web page address. For your learning task 1, list down on your answer sheet the steps on how to accomplish the needed task. You will be graded using the following criteria: correctness, 50%, quality, 30%, and clarity, 20%. Number 1. Maria needs to do a PowerPoint presentation about her report in TLE. What are the steps that she needs to perform to open and save PowerPoint file? And number 2, Dave was asked to send an email to his boss. How can he do it step by step? I will give you a time to submit this on your Google Classroom. Next, for learning task 2, identify the ribbon of Microsoft Excel. So I have 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5 questions for you. I will give you a minute to think of your answer for this. For number 1, it is where the title of or the file name, the name of the application located, and the name of the file if it is saved. That is title bar. For number 2, this is used to minimize your screen or to hide your application. That is minimize button. Number 3, this is used to restore the screen, the previous screen that you have. That is maximize button. And number 4, this is used to exit from the application program. This is close or exit. Next, number 5, these are group of tools under the tab Home. This is ribbon. Did you get it all correct? We have the title bar. It is where the name of the file and the application that is currently open. Number 2, minimize bar. It is used to hide the application on your screen. Number 3, maximize. It is used to cover all the screen into full size. Number 4, close or exit. It is used to close the application software you open, that is open. And number 5, ribbon. These are all tools of the current tab Home. So every tab, there are different sets of ribbon. For your assignment, create your biodata using MS Word. Save your work using a file name biodata. God bless you all.